So, my dear students, what is a reported speech? As the word says, we are reporting what somebody else said. Okay, that is a reported speech. So, in this case, my dear students, we use the verbs said or told. Said or told. Dijo o contó, okay? We are going to use these verbs to make a reported speech. So let's start from the very beginning. For example, let's suppose this. Let's suppose that Nikolai didn't come to class because he said, I'm sick. I can't go to class. I'm sick. I can't go to class, okay? Let's suppose that Nikolai said this to Curly, okay? Curly, let's suppose that Nicholas said this to you, okay? So now Curly, she's going to report. She's going to report to the teacher. And in that case, my dear students, this is the way that we create a sentence in reported speech, okay? Nikolai told me that, we can use that, he was sick. Nikolai told me that he was sick. He couldn't come to class, okay? He couldn't go to class. He couldn't come to class, okay? He couldn't go to class. He couldn't come to class. Okay, pay attention here. As you can see, my dear students, in the first case, we have this in present. Okay, present. I'm sick. I can't go to class. Both are present, okay? And then, Curly, she's reporting. Ella está reportando. Está contándome el chismecito. She's telling me the gossip, okay? Nikolai told me that he was sick. He couldn't come to class. Nikolai me contó. Nikolai told me that he was sick, que estaba enfermo. No podía venir a clases. Okay? ¿Cuál es la regla? What is the rule then? Whenever we are reporting something in present, we need to change this to past. Okay? Our report speech, remember, we need to change from present to past. Nikolai told me he was sick. He couldn't come to class. Okay? That is the rule for the reported speech. Okay? And remember, the use of this, the use of reported speech, as I told you, is to inform someone about something that somebody else said. Okay? Let's check the next example, okay? Let's check the next example. Yes, tell me, Diana, what did you do yesterday? What did you do yesterday, Diana? What did you do yesterday?
I work.
Sure.
I work. I work
Yeah, enough. Excellent. Thank you, Diana. I worked in the morning. Okay. Supongamos que Diana me cuenta esto a mí. Ok. Diana me dice, yo trabajé en la mañana. I work in the morning. Y supongamos que yo soy el chismoso. I am the gossip boy. Y voy y le digo a Alexis. Let's suppose that I am with the gossip. Okay, Mr. Osmar is very gossip. So, Diana said, Diana dijo, Diana said, el that, this is optional, okay? El that, the translation for that, remember, is que. Diana dijo que, Diana said that she had worked in the morning. Okay, as you can see, my dear students, we have this in past. Past simple, okay, simple past. I worked in the morning. Diana said that she had worked in the morning. Okay, we are changing from past simple to past perfect. Okay, take a look. I worked in the morning. Diana said that she had worked in the morning. I worked in the morning. Diana said that she had worked in the morning. We are changing from past simple to past perfect. I worked in the morning. Diana said that she had worked in the morning. Perfect. Let's continue then. Here we go. The next reported speech. Let me move it. Okay, and let me stop sharing this. Let me open my presentation, okay? Give me a second, please. For this, get ready for that, okay? ¿Cómo sería entonces how it will be in that case? Let's start with Curly. Supongamos que quien te dice esto, let's suppose that the one who said this is Genesis, okay? Genesis. ¿Cómo reportarías, Curly? ¿Cómo vendrías al teacher con el chismecito? How would you do that?
She told me
She told, continue.
she told
Not feeling well. Okay, in this case we have the present, I am not feeling well. So change it. Vamos a ver, let's check now. Okay, she said or she told me she wasn't feeling well. Okay, don't forget the difference between said and told. Okay, en el caso de said simplemente decimos said, no podemos colocar said me or said you. Simplemente said, dijo. En el caso de told, siempre es importante utilizar un object pronoun. Told me, told us, told the teacher, me contó a mí, nos contó, le contó al teacher, ¿ok? That is the difference. En el caso de said, solamente said. In the case of told, we need to use an object pronoun. So, le cambiamos, si viste la diferencia, did you check Curly the difference? I'm not feeling well, le cambiamos por past, ¿no es cierto? Wasn't feeling well. From present to past. She said that she wasn't feeling well. Excellent, thank you, Curly. Let's continue, please, the next one. Okay, go please, Alexis. ¿Cómo cambiamos? How do we change now? Este es I have house guest for the weekend. Supongamos que quien te dijo esto fue Diana. Okay. ¿Cómo reportamos? How do report? How do we report this? Diana. ¿Cómo sería? How it will be? You tell me. Diana told. Diana told. Continue. Diana told. Told me. Diana me dijo. Diana told me that. A ver. Tenemos have. What is have, Alexis? ¿Qué tiempo es? Present, past, or future? The verb present. So we change to past. Vamos a ver. Diana said, Diana told me she had. Okay, she had house guests for the weekend. Diana me dijo que ella tenía invitados para el fin de semana, okay? Diana said that she had house guests for the weekend. Okay, the present le cambiamos a past. Okay, Alexis? Vamos a ver, let's continue now, please. Diana, you are going to report this, okay? I made a tennis date with Kim. Diana, ¿cómo sería en reported speech? Use any name, cualquiera, okay? Any name. Vamos a ver, let's see. Okay, pay attention here. Take a look, Diana. In that case, tenemos past, ¿no es cierto? Simple past, past simple. I made a tennis date with Kim. This is simple past. We are going to change this to past perfect. Okay, the simple past, the past simple, le cambiamos a past perfect, es decir, le añadimos el have. We need to use have. Yes, excellent. Vamos a ver el siguiente. Take a look. In this case, come on, let's go now with Curly. I have planned an exciting trip. I have planned an exciting trip. What tense is this, Curly? What tense? Present, past, future? I have planned an exciting trip. ¿Qué tiempo es este? What tense is this? Present perfect, presente perfecto, ¿no? Aquí el have ya no es verbo, sino auxiliar. I have planned an exciting trip. Yo he planeado un viaje emocionante, ¿ok? Pay attention, el present perfect, cuando reportamos, when we report, se convierte también en past perfect. Okay? She told me she had planned an exciting trip. She told me she had planned an exciting trip. From present perfect, we change to past perfect. Okay? Listo. The next one, okay, take a look. Here we go. Alexis, what tense is this? We can't come tomorrow. Present, past, or future? We can't come tomorrow. Present, past, or future? We can't come tomorrow. Present, past, or future, Alexis. Nosotros no podemos venir mañana. We can't come tomorrow. Present, very well. ¿Cómo le cambiarías a reported speech? Past, okay, ha pasado. They told me they couldn't come tomorrow. Ellos me contaron que no podían venir mañana. They told me they couldn't come tomorrow. Okay? Vamos a ver, take a look. Tenemos uno más. And yeah, we finish with this, okay? We finish with this for the reported speech. Can you please tell me, Diana, what tense is this? What tense? Ajá, te escucho recién. What tense is this? We will be. Present, past, future, present perfect. Will. ¿Qué es will? What is will? Okay, will, take a look, is future. Future. We will be out of town. Nosotros estaremos fuera de la ciudad, fuera del pueblo. We will be out of town. Okay? Don't forget, will is the auxiliar for future. We will be out of town. In this case, take a look, Diana. We change from will to would. They told me they would be out of town. Okay? Vamos a ver, let's see the translation. We will be out of town. Out of town. Estaremos fuera del pueblo. Estaremos fuera del pueblo. They told me they would be out of town. Me dijeron que estarían. El would, the translation for this is like ian. Okay? Would play, jugarían, would drink, beberían, would eat, comerían, okay? They told me they would be out of town. Me dijeron que estarían fuera del pueblo. They told me they would be out of town. Okay, don't forget from will to would. From will to would. So, my dear students, just to summarize all this, hold on a second, because here we go. Yeah, let's move over here to the next activity and get ready for that, okay? Here it goes. Remember, we are checking the use of reported speech, and this is the rule for this. Here it goes. On page number 120, yes, page number 120, we are going to complete first. We are going to complete this table, and then we are going to do a listening exercise, and that is all for today, okay? Let's start then. Since you remember, in reported speech, the things or the statements in present simple, we change it to past simple. The things in present continuous, remember, to past continuous. Okay? From present simple to past simple, from present continuous to past continuous. What about present perfect and past simple? Do you remember Curly? En reported speech, ¿a qué le cambiamos? Present perfect and past simple. A past perfect. Excellent. Las dos, tanto present perfect como past simple, le pasamos a past perfect. Okay? El going to, yes, esta es una exception. This is an exception. Simplemente, am, is, are going to. We can change it to was or were going to. Was or were going to. And finally, can. Remember, we changed this to could. Could. So, my dear students, as you can see, this is the rule for reported speech.